PNG happenings.
Breaking news from Port Moresby. A TropicAir Twin Otter, registration P2BBM, has made a dramatic but controlled emergency landing this morning without its nose wheel. At around 10 a.m., pilots reported a failure in the nose gear system. With no front wheel available, the crew had to prepare for a rare and risky landing technique, balancing the aircraft on its main wheels before gently lowering the nose to the runway.
There's no front wheel.
With emergency teams on standby, the Twin Otter approached carefully. Against the odds, the pilot executed the landing flawlessly, keeping the aircraft stable until it slowed enough for the nose to settle safely on the runway surface. Despite the mechanical failure, the outcome could not have been better. All passengers and crew are safe, and the aircraft remained largely intact, a testament to the pilot's skill, calmness, and training. The TropicAir Twin Otter 300 series is known for its reliability and rugged design, especially in PNG's rugged aviation environment. Today, that toughness combined with expert piloting prevented a potential disaster. This incident is a powerful reminder of the professionalism behind every safe flight. A huge shout out to the crew for their exceptional work. More updates as they come. Stay tuned, stay informed, and stay safe.
PNG happenings.